there's like spring water for free, and this is going to be our door. I have the best view, 3,500 peso, really flat. I think they want to welcome back to the province house building. Today we are here in the site and it's the weekend, it's Sunday. We woke up so early, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a quick update of what has been finished. It is currently about 9 a.m. right now. The sun is shining, so that's a good start. Actually, yesterday I asked 3 people to put soil into the house, and they have finished it already today at this hour. So yeah, we are going to check it out.
Yesterday. That's
Yeah.
the real reason why.
Yeah, thanks to Tom as well for helping them. So we're going to check it out, and then we have to pay them. Let's go. Good thing it's not good thing that it's not raining today. Okay, here we go. Come here. Okay, this is how the soil is looking now. It's really flat. I think they used something to actually flatten everything. They have a makeshift, like the big 4x4 wood, or there's actually a round one that they used earlier. Ano sa yung gamit pa ane? Pa flat? This one, no, this one. They use this one. Look, it's actually like a very native. They use this.
From bamboo.
Yeah, it's a trunk with a bamboo to hold it, and then you know you just like do it like that. And yeah, that's how the soil is looking now. I mean, it's very flat, and then the terrace is now 10 centimeters below the main house.
You can kind of feel the space more now.
Yeah, it's good. Like, seriously, I'm so happy. I can feel it's actually spacious. Like last time, I felt like it was very small than I expected. But can you guys see? That's good. So I have to pay them about 3,500 peso for the, you know, the soil, because it's gonna take weeks if we're gonna ask my father to do it alone.
Psycha.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna pay them now 3,000 if I still have money. What? I know. Okay, we have 3,500 peso to pay for the soilers. It's the soilers, the people who work with the soil. Whew, that's good. All right, we're gonna give it to him. Tada!
Salamat.
Walay sa pa yan. Salamat sad. We're done with the first payment for today. I actually went to the market as well earlier this morning to get some nails because we ran out of nails already as well. So yeah, actually the nails are here. Come on, I'm gonna show you the nails. Actually, it's here. This is like 11 kilos of nails in this box over here. It's very, very heavy, and I paid around 660 pesos for that. It's like 4-inch nails and 2.5-inch nails. So yeah, so today we spent around 4,100 peso so far. Yeah. All right, guys, so now I have the best view over here, and I'm gonna give you guys a really quick haul about the new materials that I got the other day. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Okay, so the first material that I got over here, we have here a breaker. Scarlett's on the vlog. We have here a breaker. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Actually, I was so confused. I didn't know what this is called, but this is a safety breaker. So this is how it looks. It's like it has turn on and off, like the main switch, I think. for the electricity for the house, because I think the builder needs this so that it will be easier for him to put the wire once he installed the wall. I cannot put it back anymore. Scarlett, come here. Come here. Here. Ali. Okay, and then the next one that I got, guys, yesterday, I actually went to the electrical supply, and then I got this very heavy, what is this wire? It is 3.5 millimeters. This is called a stranded wire. So I think this safety breaker will be connected to this as the main wiring. I'm not so knowledgeable. I'm not an electrician, so I don't know what are all these, but anyway, this wire is 90 meters, so I got it for about 2,500 pesos or 50 US, and then this one I got for about 300 pesos, so that's like 6 US. So yeah, so I got this one, and we got some nails as well today, and yeah, that's about it. Scarlett, ay, get this, Scarlett, get this, give mommy, give mama. She doesn't want. Okay. Alright guys, another update. It has been a few hours since I've updated you guys earlier. So the first thing that is being done, I think I've shared this one, right? So well, this one is already finished. And then we have the second window over here as well. Yeah, we have the second window over here as well. And then here is our third window. So 1, 2, 3 window is already finished, and then we have this what do you call this? The framing that will be used to hold the hardy flex. So once Junjun will be able to finish all of the framing, then he's gonna put the hardy flex next. And then over here, guys, this is where our door will be. So I'm not too, I think this is in your height, right? Baba, what's your height? Are you taller than this? No? But this is okay. So I think this is 8 feet. 8 or 7 feet. So actually, it's a bit like low in here, and then you have to step, and this is going to be our door. And then Junjun has... Scarlett, stop throwing away stuff. We have here another Uy! No, huh? And then we have here another window as well. So pretty much we have 4 windows being done. And yeah, the door as well. So he has to work on this side over here, which is going to be the room. And we're going to put 1 window here as well. And then next is going to be here. Okay, hold on. This is what I got earlier. I've showed it to you guys that we got this. What do you call this again? The safety breaker. Yeah, we call this a safety breaker. So it's like a turn on and turn off. Junjun is actually working on the wire right now. So before he puts the wall, he wanted to put the main switch so that it will be easier for him to do the double walling, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Actually, this is the view that I really like. So this is going to be our kitchen. So this area over here will be piled with hollow blocks, and I think the countertop is going to be about here. So it's gonna depend on my size, because I'll be the one that will be cooking, and I don't want to have like a step in order to not get burned.
No, it won't.
Why?
The counter will be there.
No, the counter will not be there. It's like, that's so far. It has to be here. Yeah.
That's for midgets.
No, I'm not.
Put the wood for, I bet you. Asking.
No, Baba. I don't know. Really?
Yeah, ask him.
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. But anyway, this window is actually a bit high for me.
You're thinking the floor's gonna be...
What?
The floor's...
Yeah, the floor. Yeah, we're gonna put the cement for the flooring. At the same time, we're also gonna put the tiles, so it's gonna be a bit high. But I'm quite happy that, you know, all of the soil is being put and they tampered it, so that's good. You can see Junjun is doing the wires there. So that's my mom's door, and he is trying to connect from there to put here in. That's actually the electricity that we got from our previous house before, so we already have, you know, electricity source from the lamppost over there. So we'll just have to really, you know, make use of that, because that's just a store and this is going to be like the main house. If they're gonna ask, you know, if it's two houses, no, it's not, because as you can see, that's the store and this is the house. You know what I mean? And a lot of you guys are asking about the water. The water here is kind of what do you call that? We don't really have water here, like water source. You have to go to the spring or like a deep well. But there are companies here that are delivering water to each houses. So all you have to do is just to buy barrels, and then they're going to fill that barrel, and all you have to pay is like 20 peso. Yeah, but most of the people here in the province or in the country just use rainwater, so that's okay. It's rainy season here, so it's not going to be such of a problem. All I have to buy is like barrels of water, so we will have stock. At the same time, I'm gonna put something like a drain pipe from the ceiling so that the rainfall is gonna go into the barrel.
I think they mean asking about water supply for like taps and...
For the tap? Yeah. Well, you can actually just have a tank. That's what I need to buy. I need to have a big tank, put the water there, and then you have to have a hose to put into the house and to put into the toilet. So that's what's going to happen, because we don't really have like the unlimited source of water like in the city. Well, you will have to pay like every month for about 200 300 pesos per month. We don't have that luxury here because we're a bit far. Not a bit, but really far from the city, so I don't think they will be able to have a really long hose to, you know, supply water here in the country. And I don't think a lot of people would really prefer that as well. Not a lot of people would want to do that, because actually there's like spring water for free, and you know, they're used to it. So anyway, that's gonna be the end of the update, guys, for the house. I'm so happy that it is going well, and I'm looking forward for this to be finished. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 60,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. As always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.